Hey guys, welcome back to Delve. Today I will be showing you how to fix blocked by content security policy Firefox. So guys, to do this issue, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go for the address bar at the top and search for about config. And after that, as you can see, you will have this proceed with caution. Just simply select accept the risk and continue. Now over here guys, you can just simply search for security CSP enable and just simply select the plus icon over here. And guys, if this is true, just make sure to turn it off, and mostly this can fix your issue. And to apply it, you can just simply close the Firefox and open it up again. Now another option is you could select the three lines on the top right corner, and you could go ahead and go for the help over here. And now you could just simply go for troubleshoot mode. So guys, entering into troubleshoot mode mostly fix the issue. Now if it doesn't, you could just simply go back to the three lines again and then go for the settings down below. And from here, you could just simply go for the search bar and search for protection. And sometimes over here, if we scroll down, we will have this one, and just simply uncheck this in order for you to fix the issue. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.